Let us talk about African traditional customs. The Sacred Igbo naming ceremony, more than just a name. Names are powerful. In African culture, names are not just words, they carry meaning, history, and destiny. Let's talk about one beautiful tradition, the Igbo naming ceremony. In Igbo culture, babies are given names based on circumstances surrounding their birth, family lineage, a prophetic meaning. Names like Chinonso, God is close, or Ngozi, blessing, reflect hope and spirituality. This reminds us how connected we are to our roots. Our names tell stories of our ancestors, our parents' prayer, and our destinies. What does your name mean? Drop it in the comment section and let's celebrate our African heritage together. Join me this evening for another deep dive into an ancient African wonder,